Hello and welcome to Wolf Creek Habitat located in Brookville, Indiana, and you probably guessed it, we have wolves, gray wolves to be exact, which are one of three species of wolves, the other two species being red wolves and Ethiopian wolves. Now under these species are many subspecies of wolves, but the ones at this sanctuary we have are a mix of timber and Arctic gray wolves. Now wolves are large predatory canids once commonly found throughout North America, Asia, Europe, and Africa, but are now found mostly in remote wilderness. They are the largest members of the canid family, which includes foxes and coyotes, and are the ancestors of all domesticated dogs. Wolves are very timid animals in nature and are scared of humans. They would much rather run away from us than be seen by us. They are the top of the food chain only under humans, and they understand that we are dangerous to them. Now wolves hunt and live in packs, and packs can consist of a couple or a couple dozen wolves, each having a alpha pair, several beta wolves, and then omegas are the lowest on the wolf chain. Their favorite food are large ungulates, which are hoofed animals like elk, moose, and bison. Now 1 out of every 10 hunts are successful for wolves, and in between those hunts they will feast on rodents, fish, and small other reptiles. Now I could talk about wolves all day long, but let's change it up and actually go into an enclosure for a closer look. Now here in this enclosure we have 2 of our adult females and 3 of our 2016 wolf puppies. Now, breeding season for wolves is between January and February, and wolf cubs are usually born between March and May. Wolves grow 3 times faster than domesticated dogs do, and will reach up to 80 pounds in their first year of life to be ready for the upcoming winter. Adult males generally are on average between 80 and 130 pounds and can max out at 150 pounds. Females are usually between 70 and 100 pounds and can max out at 120 pounds. Now these wolves are still wild animals, but they are so people friendly in here due to the volunteers at the sanctuary bottle feeding them at such a young age. Basically right before they can see and hear, they imprint on us when we bottle feed them after 14 days. At this enclosure, or at this sanctuary as well, we can have the public come in. They pay a small fee, and they can come in and interact just as I am right now. Now wolves are not the scary, bloodthirsty animals as depicted in movies and stories. They do not have a taste for humans at all. They are highly misunderstood animals and deserve our respect and our protection. I hope this video was very informative, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Remember, Little Red Riding Hood lied.